The ozone hole, a success story in environmental stewardship. For decades, the looming specter of the ozone hole served as a stark reminder of the environmental consequences of human activity. However, in recent years, a remarkable shift has taken place, raising the question, what happened to the ozone hole? The ozone hole, a menace in the sky. 1. Discovery and concerns. The discovery of the Antarctic ozone hole in the 1980s set off alarms worldwide. Scientists identified a significant thinning of the ozone layer, particularly over Antarctica, exposing life on Earth to harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation. 2. Human impact. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, once widely used in refrigerants and aerosol propellants, were identified as the primary culprits behind ozone layer depletion. International efforts were urgently needed to address this environmental crisis. Global response and successes. 1. Montreal Protocol. In 1987, the international community took a historic step by adopting the Montreal Protocol, a treaty aimed at phasing out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances. The protocol marked a turning point in global environmental cooperation. 2. Reduction of ozone-depleting substances. One of the most significant achievements of the Montreal Protocol was the global reduction in the production and use of CFCs. As nations adhered to the agreed-upon restrictions, the atmospheric concentration of these harmful substances began to decline. Ozone hole recovery, signs of progress. 1. Closing the hole. In recent years, studies have shown encouraging signs of recovery in the ozone hole. The implementation of the Montreal Protocol has led to a reduction in the size and depth of the hole, indicating a positive shift in the Earth's protective ozone layer. 2. Ozone layer on the mend. Scientific observations suggest that the ozone layer is on a path to recovery, with projections indicating that the Antarctic ozone hole could close by the middle of the 21st century. This positive trend exemplifies the effectiveness of global cooperation in addressing environmental challenges. Challenges and continued vigilance. 1. Lingering threats. While significant progress has been made, challenges remain. New, potentially harmful substances may pose threats to the ozone layer, necessitating ongoing research, monitoring, and international cooperation. 2. Climate change interconnections. The interconnections between ozone depletion and climate change underscore the importance of addressing both issues simultaneously. Collaborative efforts must evolve to tackle the broader challenges posed by a changing climate. Conclusion: a beacon of hope for environmental conservation. The story of what happened to the ozone hole stands as a beacon of hope for environmental conservation. The successful global response to the ozone crisis demonstrates that, when faced with a common threat, nations can come together to enact meaningful change and safeguard the planet for future generations. As we celebrate the strides made in healing the ozone layer, the journey serves as a reminder that proactive measures, international collaboration, and sustained efforts can mitigate the environmental impact of human activities. The ozone hole's narrative is not just a chapter in the environmental history books, it is a testament to the power of collective action in the face of global challenges.